The members of the group are Anissa Hines, Ryan Harrington, Dane Phillip, and myself, Keisha Joseph. The area we chose was Tagarigua. This is located at the foot of the northern range. As you can see, it is surrounded by virgin forest. However, the area of study that was chosen was an open field which appeared to be a savanna. This is where we took our soil samples, tested it, and analyzed it to determine the soil type and thereby make recommendations.
How do you determine soil texture? It's simple. Follow this process chart. So we wet the sample, worked out all the lumps, squeezed into a ball, but got no ribbon. It was neither too wet nor too dry, so that means it is a sandy loam. Now if you want to know the composition of your soil, try the jar test, or in our case the bottle test. Half fill a bottle or jar with soil. Add water until it is 3/4 full. Cover and shake vigorously, then set it down to allow the particles to settle out undisturbed. The coarse sand particles will be the first to settle out, followed by the finer silt, then the even finer clay particles. The organic matter or humus will be seen floating at the top. This settling out process can happen over a period of hours or even days, depending on how much clay is in the soil. What this test helps to determine is the percentage composition of the different particle types in your soil. From this, you will know how to best use your soil. For us, that means finding the best use of loamy sands.
Pedogenesis is the process by which soils are formed. Physical and biological weathering are aspects of pedogenesis and plays a major role in the soil formation process in Tacarigua. Pressure release is a form of physical weathering, and it is a result of erosion and exposure of rocks. Pressure is released from the rocks, giving rise to cracks and eventually total disintegration. Root growth, which is a form of biological weathering, is also present in Tacarigua. Roots grow between cracks in the rocks, causing them to break apart. Bioturbation is also a factor to consider in the soil's composition. Organisms such as earthworms mix all the different materials, giving it a blend of uniformity.
In recommendation, the study site could be utilized to establish a community kitchen garden, where fruits and vegetables like melons, pumpkins, and cucumbers would thrive. The edaphic conditions experienced at the site would encourage the establishment of a park, since the soil is freely draining, gritty, and fertile. The landscape green area could also benefit the site, enhancing general aesthetics, while striking a balance in adding vegetation to an otherwise unproductive land space. These activities would ensure that the best possible use of the land is exploited, considering all possible factors, including the soil type and general lay of the land.